Windows users have reported an error message. Your device is missing important security and quality fixes that prevents them from installing the Windows updates. Or the scan detects no available updates, but the error message still shows. If you're also encountering this error, no worries. We prepared a few working fixes for you to try. Open any browser and type Windows 10 Update Assistant. Open the Windows Update Assistant, click Update Now, and wait for the updates to download. Click on Update Now for Windows 10 2022 Update, version 22H2. Open the download and select with Click Run as administrator the Windows Update Assistant. Now click on Update Now and click Next. Now the downloading process is running steps 1 to 3. Click on Restart Now. After Restart PC, we are check present status and look. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.